Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rich the Fixer. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment and share, and let me know exactly what you guys think about the videos so far. So today we're going to be working on a Behringer x32 producer. This has 16 inputs and 8 outputs at the back. This is very compact and very small. Now the issue we have with this one is that the lights in this bank of faders right here, they're flickering. All right, so we're going to dig deep into it to see exactly what the problem is. Here we go. All right, so lights on the screen. Well, the screen is coming up. All right, screen comes up, but you realize all these faders here, they're in the red, so I know something is going on here. All right, so we're gonna see what do you guys think this is? All right, comment below and let me know exactly what you think. All right, so we have the x32 producer now open, and we're going to look to see exactly what's happening with this. So I just took the screws out and I'm gonna head towards the power supply to see what's happening. I'm gonna start from there and then move my way down. All right, so I'm just looking around doing a visual inspection to see, what I can see that's obvious. I looked at the power board. I'm gonna take it off in a while, but I see something that's kind of unusual on the main board. The backup battery on the board is rusted. Okay, so I dismantled the mixer. I'm at the main board, so the first thing I discovered was that the battery was rusted. Like the battery on the board rusted really bad, so I just replaced a new battery. So while I was dismantling the main board and connecting the main board, making sure that that the main board is working, I turned the mixer on, tried to update the board to the latest version 4.06. Then everything just went dead. Bam! Power supply started ticking, and the voltage is fluctuating on the power supply board right now. So I'm gonna try to see what's going on with the power supply board. All right, so as you saw previously, I put power to the mixer, and the screen came up, the fader came up, was just this bank that had the lights going all over. So what I did was try to update the board using my my thumb drive. Then everything just went dead. So I'm gonna just show you how it looked right now. Nothing is coming up. That's all that is there, the light around the screen. But the thing is that I'm hearing is the power supply ticking. So I've already taken out the power supply, so that's what I'm gonna go check. I'm gonna check the power supply right now. All right, so let's unplug. Gonna lift this up. All right, have it highlighted. So my power supply at this moment, what I'm gonna do is to check the power supply and basically show you what's going on with it. It's ticking, and the output voltages are fluctuating. So I'm gonna use my meter right now. Okay, so this is the power supply, and as I said previously, that the output voltage on one of the side is fluctuating real bad. So I'm going to show you what it is. You can hear a ticking sound. So look at the meter, you can see the meter that the voltage fluctuating all over the place. Usually that's a sign in the power supply of the up to isolator that isolates the input and the output circuit. So there are two up to isolator. So the one on the side that's not working, that's the one I'm gonna change. So this is the one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and desolder that from the board, and let's see what happens next. I'm not sure if the main board was damaged, but let's see what happens. Guys, so this is the board I've been working on. Man, took some time. I changed the up to isolator, but that wasn't the problem because the voltage has been fluctuating, and see, it's causing this capacitor to bulge. So I think something is wrong with the PWM chip. That's the pulse width modulator chip that fires up the MOSFET. So what I did was to just order a new board. I'm gonna put this board down. Someday I'll be able to repair it. So I just purchased a new board, and I have the board right here. Put the board in, connected all of my connectors back. I'm going to test it out to see if it works. All right, so let's see. Okay. Alright, so the screen is lit. Alright, we have the x32 producer coming up. Alright, and everything seemed to work on here. We can select the channels. Yes, so it was just the power supply in this that was bad. I've observed that the main failure with this, the producer, has always been the power supply. So at first when I tried to update the board, I think the power supply just went completely. It was going to, because it wasn't giving any sound. All right, so the next thing we want to do now is just to test it to get sound. If you're having issues with a board like this, and you're finished the repair and you're not getting any signal, what I suggest you do is to do a factory reset. And you can do that in setup. So you set up on the screen, and right in the middle here you have factory reset. I have to do a factory reset on this, you know, just to change all the settings and bring everything back to the original manufactured setting. All right, so we're gonna play some music just to see that everything's working.
Faith is a victory. Faith is a victory. Oh yes, victory. Not over.